Car, truck, or motorcycle, just bear with me, that is chosen because of its impressive, smart, accomplished, or stylish appearance. The car is owned by Pat Whipple, a 1929 Ford Woody, and I guarantee you folks, you haven't seen too many of those going up and down the road this weekend. Complete with its original little horn. Thanks God for being here.
This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Fall Draggin Wagons Car Show over here at the Classic Auto Mall. I like these side exhausts. That's great. This is a line of winners. There were so many spectacular cars here. It was so tough to get. How the judges were able to pick, I don't know. There's just so many beautiful cars here this year. Draggin Wagon always has a great turnout, and a lot of unusual stuff too, which is really pretty cool. That is nice. Very, very nice. Look at how they drop the chassis to get that to fit just right. That is too cool. This Corvette sounds as mean as it looks. 427. And what a little babe we got here. What a little baby. This Buick you'll see in the photos, really nicely done. Really nicely done with the custom valve covers to make the big block GM look like a nail head. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows. That's Draggin Wagons for you, handing out the treats. They know how to throw a show. That is sweet. That's powered by a Ford 3.8 V6. That's not. Thanks to all the great volunteers of Draggin Wagons for putting on a great show. And of course their sponsors, Utz, and who donated the iced tea?
BB's did, I believe.
BB's? Thank you, BB's Grocery.
Yes.
This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Draggin Wagons show over here in Honeybrook, Morgantown, PA at the Classic Auto Mall. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com. I went through that already. Get on this site and post your shows.